A monster tornado nearly a mile wide, killing at least 116 people in Joplin when it tore through the heart of the small Midwestern city. Hundreds more injured as it ripped the roof off a hospital and destroyed thousands of homes and businesses. U.S. weather officials describing the tornado as the deadliest single one to hit the U.S. in almost 60 years.
I was sleeping here in my recliner in this corner. There were glass windows on either side of me there. If I hadn't woke up and was still in my chair, I would have gone with the car, I guess. I was reading the newspaper and had fallen asleep. Then the beeping started and woke me up. And I could hear that it was my alarm system that was beeping. So I went to the unit and it said tornado alert. Take cover immediately. And otherwise I would not have known there was a tornado coming. So I went to the closet and I grabbed this chair and put in the closet and a pillow off the bed and put over my head and shut the door. The door locked behind me and I couldn't get out. When I was sitting there with the pillow over my head, I could hear the crashing on one side, then the next thing I'd know it would be right in front of me and banging on my door. And you wondered when it was going to be over. It seemed like it was an hour. There was one first responder came and heard me and said, "Get back, I'll knock the door down." So that's what he did, and I had to climb over the rubble to get out. My plan now is to rebuild on the same spot, and I definitely will make sure that I have different security systems. And I really believe I think it saved my life. Thankful to be here right now.